Hello friend, today we will learn about linear equation and expression, variable, and what is meaning of equality sign in equation. So on paper I have written there are 7 example, that is 5x, 2x minus 3, 3x plus 5, 2x plus 5, x y x y z plus y plus 2, x square plus 1, y plus y square. So here I have written that it is example of expression. It is because here 5x is only LHS side, same 2x minus 3 is LHS side, no equality sign is here, no entity present on the right side. So as per maths rule we will call it as a expression. Then in second part here I have written some example of equation, that is 5x is equal to 25, 2x minus 3 is equal to 9, 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2, 6z plus 10 is equal to minus 2. So in this case this part is LHS, then equality sign, then RHS means this part. So when LHS is equal to RHS comes in equation, in expression, sorry, so that becomes expression. For example, 5x is only now expression, there is no LHS part, there is no RHS part. When you add here equality sign and add one value, suppose 2, then it will become equation. Here also I mentioned that equality sign, it is missing in expression, IMP point. Equality sign, it is missing in expression. And let us see what is variable in expression and equation. 2x plus y has two variable, 2x plus 5y has two variable, x plus 5y plus 6z plus 3, x is one variable, y is one variable, z is one variable, means total 3 variable, right? Here 5x is expression, 5x plus 2 is equal to 3 is equal to 3, it is equation, it is expression. So x is variable, here x is variable. Then last case, 2x plus 1, 3y minus 7, 12 minus 5z, 5 by 4 in bracket x minus 4 bracket complete plus 10. These are example of linear expression. What maths say about linear equation? If this variable doesn't have any power which is greater than 1, doesn't have any power which is greater than 1, then it will become linear equation. It will become linear equation, means 2x plus 1 is equal to 5. Here power of x is 1, hence it is linear. Same example, 2x square plus 1 is equal to 5. Here power of x is greater than 1, 2 is greater than 1, hence it is non-linear. Let us see some more example. I have already said you that is x square plus 1, y plus y square, 1 plus 2 plus z square plus z cube. These are all example of non-linear expression because it has variable power that is greater than 1. Here I mentioned same thing. Let us see example of linear equation in one variable. Here variable is x and it is only one, that is x. So in this case 2x minus 3 is LHS, 7 is RHS. Let us solve it. So 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. So 2x is equal to 7 plus 3. That is, this minus 3, when we will transfer here, it will become plus 3. So 7 plus 3 is 10. 2x plus 10, that is x is equal to 10 by 2, that will be 5, means x is here 5. This is the answer. Now if I want to verify it, I will verify it by just putting value of 5 in LHS side, that is 2x minus 3, right? So 2 into where x is 5, 2 into 5 minus 3, answer will be 7. This LHS will be equal to RHS. If I want to do checking of any equation, whether I done calculation right or wrong, I can check with this example or with this format. Sorry, let us see another example, that is 2y plus 9 is equal to 4. So in this case 2y on LHS side, we will shift that 9 here, that will be 4 minus 9. 4 minus 9 is 5. 2y, that is y is equal to minus 5 by 2. Answer is minus 5 by 2. Let us see one more example. X plus 3 plus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. So we will shift we will keep x plus 3 here, we will shift 5 by 2 on RHS side, that will be 3 minus 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Here in this case 2 in both the cases has common value, so we will do directly addition of above 2 subtraction, that is minus 3 minus 5, and we will keep 2 as a common. Minus 3 minus 5 will be minus 8. 2 divided by 8 is equal to minus 4. X by 3 is x into minus 4 into 3. We will shift that 3 here. X is equal to minus 12. Answer is minus 12. Let us see one more example, that is 15 by 4 minus 7x is equal to 9. So we will keep minus 7x here. We will shift this 15 by 4 to here. This 15 by 4 is positive value. When you shift from LHS to RHS, it will become negative value. So 9 minus 15 by 4. So we will multiply this 4 with 9 and we will make common base, that is 36 minus 15, and divide by 4. 36 minus 15 is 6 minus 5 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, that is 21 by 4. Now we have 7x minus 7x. So we will transfer this 7 to here. So x will be 21 by 4 into minus 7. Split this 21 into part, that will be 7 into 3, 4 into minus 7. 7 divided by 7. This minus will go up, that will become 3. That will become minus 3 by 4. Answer is equal to x is equal to minus 3 by 4. So I have shared with you 3 examples, that is example number 1, example number 2 is here, example number 3 is here, and example number 4 is here. If you have any doubt related with this example, you can directly write it in comment section, or you can directly mail me on my email ID, which I have shared in my description section. So I will try to solve your problem, and I will request you to subscribe my YouTube channel, like it and share it. Thanks.